Good day, everyone, and welcome to another edition of The Basic Equation. That's right, today we're going to be solving for Q. Now, remember, to solve for a variable, we want to get that variable alone on one side of the equal sign. And to do that, we undo what is being done to it. In this case, Q is subtracting 12, or 12 is being subtracted from Q. We need to undo that by doing the opposite operation. Well, what is the opposite of minusing 12 or subtracting 12? We know the opposite of subtracting 12 is adding 12. So let's add 12 to both sides, because remember, what you do to one side, you gotta do to the other. So let's go ahead and do that. Look at this. A negative 12 combined with a positive 12 cancels out, goes by, and leaves Q all by itself. But that's what we want. We want Q all by itself, and thus Q equals whatever 1 increased by 12 is, and we know that 1 increased by 12 is going to be 13. So the value of Q is 13. Now, we got to check and make sure that this is a true statement. So what we always want to do is go back and plug in the value that we came up with. So let's go ahead and erase that there Q right there. Watch this, it's magical. It's magical. We just erased the Q value, and now we're going to plug in our 13 value, and we're going to see if it makes sense. Does it make sense? Is it true that 13 decreased by 12 is 1? And it is absolutely true, because 13 minus 12 is 1, which means we have an equation that says 1 is equal to 1. And thus we know that this is a true value. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna cough over here. I'm about to cough. Don't be talking to me, all right?